Today, inshallah, I want to start 5.2 function tables. What's a function? We give an input to a function. He provides you with a rule. You give an input to the function, and then you get the output. For example, x is 9, 5, 16, and the function is 2 plus x. So what should we do? When you take, for example, the 9 plus 2 is 11. 5 plus 2 is 7. 16 is x, so 16 plus 2 is 18. So for example, you will have a table like this one: y equals 7x plus 2. X is negative 2, so 7 times negative 2 plus 2. Let's get it. 7 times negative 2 is negative 14, plus 2 is negative 12. 0. 7 times 0, x now is 0. So 7 times 0 plus 2. 7 times 0, 0. Plus 2 is 2. X is 2. So 7 times 2 plus 2. 7 times 2, which is the x, plus 2. 7 times 2, 14, plus 2, 16. The 4, we will substitute the x with 4. So 7 times x, which is 4, plus 2. 7 times 4, 28, plus 2 is 30. Very good. Let's try another one, but the coefficient of x is negative. Let's try. So the x will be negative 1, 0, 1, 2. So y equals negative 6, x, which is negative 1, plus 10. Negative 6 times negative 1, negative times negative is positive, so 6 plus 10 is equal 16. Next, x is 0. Negative 6 times 0 is 0. Anything times 0 is 0. Negative 6 times 0 plus 10. Negative 6 times 0, 0. Plus 10, which is equal to 10. X is 1. So negative 6 times 1 plus 10. Negative 6 times 1 plus 10. Multiply. 6 times 1 is 6 with negative, so it is negative 6 plus 10. Subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4. Different signs. Subtract. Take the sign of the larger number, which is the 10. So 10, negative 6 plus 10 is positive 4. Try. Negative 2 is the x. So negative 6 times 2 plus 10. Negative 6 times 2 plus 10. 6 times 2, 12, but with the negative sign. Plus 10. Negative 12 plus 10. Which is the greater number, 12 or 10? 12. Take its sign. Negative and positive, different signs, subtract. 12 minus 10 is 2. So the answer here is negative 2. Now, in example 2, he is asking you, Nola already knitted 7 inches of a blanket. So she already started with 7. Before she even start knitting, she had the input 7. Because she already knitted. This is in the past. She added to the blanket at a rate of 3 inches per hour. So m is 3, or the slope is 3. Look, the slope, the coefficient of t is 3. The total length of the blanket B is represented by the function B equals 3t plus 7. Multiply. 3 times 0, 0, plus 7 is 7. When the time or the number of hours increase by 1, so the t is 1, number of hours 2 hours, 3 hours, we just suppose these numbers. Okay, so equal 3 times, the first thing is 1. 3 times 1 plus 7. 3 times 1, 3 plus 7 is 10. So here is 10. Again, let's try at t equals 2. When t equals 2, b equals 3t plus 7. So 3 times 2, which is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. Alright, let's try when t equals 3. T equals 3. So b equals 3 times t. 3 times t. T, which is 3 now, plus the 7. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 7, 16. Example 3. He will give you a function like this and a table, and you should graph them. Very easy. The same like we did in the previous table. Negative x plus 3. Negative. What is x? X is negative 2. Plus 3. Negative negative is positive. So positive 2 plus 3 is 5. Negative x plus 3. What is x now? X is negative 1. Multiply negative negative is positive 1. Positive 1 plus 3 is 4. Again, negative x plus 3 is, what is x now? X is 1. So negative 1 plus 3 is 2. As if you are saying 3 minus 1, 2. Different signs, subtract. Type negative, what is x? X is 2 plus 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Now it is time to graph. How do we graph? X is negative 2, y is 5. Here you will find that x is negative 2 and y is 5. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Type. This is the first point. The second point, x is negative 1. Where is x negative 1? Here. We go left 1 step. And y is 4. Go up 4 steps. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the second point. As long as you have 2 points, you can easily match, and that's the graph. I just need to find 2 points. Just connect these 2 points. One more. Let's try one more. For example, 2x minus 1.5. Let's try question 10. X is negative 1. So 2 times negative 1 minus 1.5. 2x minus 1.5. X is negative 1. 2 times negative 1, negative 2. Negative 2, negative 1.5 is negative 3.5. Try the next. 2x minus 1.5. 2x minus 1.5. X is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 1.5, negative 1.5. X is 1. So 2 times 1 minus 1.5. So multiply. 2 times 1 is 2. Minus 1.5 is just 0.5. Why? Let's subtract. 2 minus 1.5. 2 is the same like 2.0. Subtract. 0 minus 5, borrow. Can't be. 1. 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Decimal. The 0 is as it is, so it is 0.5. Last. 2x minus 1.5. What is x? X is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 1.5 is 2.5. Let's do it. 4 minus 1.5. How did we get this 2.5? 4 is the same like 4.0. 0 minus 5 can't be, borrow. 3. 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Decimal. 3 minus 1 is 2, so it's 2.5. Graph. X is negative 1. Y is negative 3.5. X negative 1 here. Y is negative 3.5. Go down 3 steps and a half. 1, 2, 3 and a half step. Nearly. It's here. Another point. Let's see. 0 and negative 1.5. X is 0. Y is negative 1.5. Where is X is 0? Here. Where is Y is negative 1.5? Negative 1.5. Negative 1 and a half. I got the second point, and you can simply match these 2 points. Done. Thank you so much. Please, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.